Okay, so today we're at the Saxon Barrow Cemetery in Greenwich Park. We're digging a whole series of test pits so that we understand the tarmac path better as part of a project to remove the path and restore it as acid grassland. So we've used a concrete cutter to cut through the tarmac path, which you can see here. And once we've got through the path, we've then used our trowels and our hand shovels to trowel through the archaeology. And archaeology is all about layers, so we tried to keep these layers nice and clean and flat and work our way down so that we can actually see the changes, because we're looking for changes in the soils. So in terms of recording today, we're taking a photograph of each section with a scale in. We're also then recording the dimensions with a tape measure. And then finally we're alongside that doing some geophysical survey work, which is a resistivity survey, which will tell us more about the wider landscape and some of the buried archaeology behind me.
What we're doing here is a resistive geophysics system where it measures the moisture in the ground. So if there was stone, we get a high resistivity, and if we got a ditch with just soil in it, it will give us a low resistivity. So what we do, we get a value, whatever you like, and it goes to a colour, and we can make a plot. We should be getting circles with the low res in the ditch, and the high res will be towards the top of the barrow.
So after the dig is finished today, we will fill in each of the holes. We'll then tarmac them over so they're safe again and people can walk across the path. And then at a later date, we're going to then take the whole path up, some of the gravel layers beneath it, and then restore it as acid grassland.